It doesn't take a lot of brains to just repeat after me and make your profits.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. Here we try different strategy for trading binary options, and of course we're making good profit. And today I got a great strategy for you. We're gonna use one of my favorite indicator in combination with RSI. So we pick the Bollinger Bands and of course the RSI. Let's adjust the Bollinger. We set the period to 13 and deviation to 2. Save change. These settings are perfect for trading on a 1 minute time frame, based on my experience. And also we set the period to 13 on the RSI. And that is it. We are ready to trade. We are ready to make money, guys. So I should update the trade amount. All the currency pair have been picked. Let's get down to trading, to analyzing the market. So let's check the market sentiment. In general, I see more flat on the charts. Well, we need to find a proper signal. And there it is, the red candle just showed up. Meanwhile, the price touched the upper line on the Bollinger. So there is no stopping us from opening a long position. Let me explain. We see the touch of the level 17 on the RSI. This is our overbought zone, so the bearish signal and a small correction should take place. By the way, look at the touch of the upper boundary of the Bollinger. The red candle just showed up, which tells us that a small correction is inevitable. And in general, we see sideways trend on the chart. And I'll point out once again, the price moves like this. And now is the time to retest this support zone. Let's see. Another red candle just show up. So far so good. I think a nice price breakdown will happen in the end. And there we go, our position had been closed in profits. Everything is pretty simple, so the Bollinger works perfectly with these settings. Let's continue the trading session.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
Let's update the trade amount and we're gonna find a reliable position entry. Let's continue analyzing. Well, we see that the Bollinger narrowed right here. It indicates that the trend will change. And assuming that we have a sideways here, I think the price should continue going down. Let me show you once again. We see that the RSI moving average is somewhere between the level 50 and 30. It tells us that there is a bearish sentiment in the market. And in theory, the price should go lower. That's for sure. Also, the price hasn't touched the lower line of Bollinger yet. So, we count on the continuation of the downtrend. There are around 20 seconds left before the closing. And look at this beautiful dump. Guys, take a look at the moving average on the RSI. It almost hit the oversold zone. Meanwhile, our position ends up with profit. The price breakdown has eventually happened, exactly as we predicted. So, let's keep going. We got $1,100 on the balance. Well, this currency pair has 30% payout rate. That's trash. Let's remove it. So the green candle just show up, and it seems like a pullback is gonna finally happen after this strong downward movement. So let's have a look. The RSI is at the bottom, in the oversold zone, and a positive dynamics is just about to happen, guys. After 5 consecutive red candles, I think a small correction should take place. And then the price will continue going down in the trend direction, so we count on that. and play out a potential price pullback. So the price touched the lower boundary of the Bollinger, and we have all the signs that the price will go up. So let's enjoy the breakout. Great pullback, guys. Perfectly calculated. Actually, it was quite predictable. There were almost 2000 on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's continue the trading session. This one looks good, guys, just as me. This pair has a good payout rate, and it seems like the price should be rejected from the upper boundary of the Bollinger. Meanwhile, we see the resistance zone at this level, and we open a short position here. We're trying to play out the correction. The price should go lower. And again, we see that the Bollinger narrowed here, after which the trend was changed. We see more dynamics after that. And after this pullback, the price should continue going down. And we're gonna see the reversal of the RSI very soon. Have a look at the touch of the upper line of the Bollinger, which is the bearish signal. So let's wait for the outcome. The red candle just showed up. I hope the price breakdown should eventually happen on the last seconds. That was so close. We just caught not the best position entry level, but it's okay. Let's update the trade amount.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
So, I think the correction is about to happen here. Let me show you. The price just touched the upper boundary of the Bollinger, and after this upward dynamics, the price is very likely to go into the correction. By the way, if we look at the RSI, we see the moving average is in the overbought zone, above the level 70, and the correction will definitely happen. Previously, the Bollinger narrowed at this zone, and after that, the uptrend started gaining momentum. However, the correction should finally happen, because there was a good pump before. And now it's gonna go into correction and then continue going up in the trend direction. That's the reality of the trading, guys. So, and we're in profits again. They're almost $6,000 on the balance. And let's open the final position, guys. Let's open 5 short positions here. The principle is exactly the same. I'm gonna explain one more time. We see the touch of upper line of the Bollinger. At the same time, this is our resistance zone. The price started moving down after hitting this zone, and we expect to see the same stuff. Here the rejection of the overbought zone, from the overbought zone, sorry. A small downward dynamics should take place, especially if we take this pump into account, and the price should go into correction, that's for sure. This high is a little bit lower than this one, and the price will go lower. And there we go! All the positions are in profit. We didn't see high volatility here, but all the position ended up in profits. And that's the point. We got almost $10,000 on the balance. It's more than enough for me for today. Let's move on to the withdrawal. Let's withdraw $9,700. Just one moment, guys. press the continue button and there we go, the withdrawal request has been sent. This is the result of our today's strategy. As you can see, it works. The main thing is to rely on several signals. And you should never open position if you are not sure. And then you will be on profits. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you soon.